Hello, welcome back to another episode of Arc Weekly. This is number 16. As I said before, these are absolutely flying in. So this morning, me and Tommy, we've got a wardrobe with a sliding ladder. No, it's not a sliding ladder, it's a detachable ladder. So I'm just currently doing a wee drawing for the client. Excuse the mess, this is the packaging that I've had to get. So this is what we've got so far for the client. It's basically a wardrobe, shaker doors. We've got 4 drawers at the bottom. We've also got a bread section here that's going to take the ladder. Then we've got our shaker doors at the top again. All of these are going on butt hinges. We've got the brilliant, you can see these here. It's a Blum tandem runner. So this is the runners that we're using for the drawers, quite high spec. We've also got components from the Library Ladder Company. So these are all getting fitted as well, which are really nice bits of kit. Yeah, you wouldn't believe the price of that one component if I told you. So yeah, so that's what's getting fitted, along with butt hinges in black. And we've got, the client's got a kind of dark handle and whatnot to go on this as well. So yeah, it's going to be really nice. Tommy's just outside cutting at the minute. I'm going to jump out and start doing the doors and whatnot. So yeah, we'll get some footage of us cutting, and hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow on site ready for install. That's Tommy just away down the road. He has what? Good day so far. That's Tommy just away down the road. It's just about 4:30. So I am currently going to glue together the doors. We've got everything broke out. We've managed to show you. Hold on. Out all our bits, so we've got a domino that goes in here. I've overran it, okay, give me a wee break, but no, that's totally fine. We overrun slightly just to give us a chance, so there's not going to be any hassle. So yeah, so that will all be glued up together. I'm going to get them all done tonight. There is 12 doors to do, so yeah, I'm going to try and get most of them all glued up now. Get the big ones set first, get them lying flat, and then get the smaller ones on top. Wee bit of work, but I'm as well working on tonight. Saves us working into the weekend if we have to, so I'd rather work late during the week, get things done, and then free up my weekends to do my paperwork. Brilliant, eh? So we'll see you as we go on. That's us on site. Sorry we never got any filming done yesterday. I'm just conscious I've only got 5 days to install this wardrobe, and I want it installed for Friday. So right now, me and Tommy, we've got the wardrobe done all the way up to the top. We've just cut all the drawers, so the drawer runners are in. I've put them in. Tommy's made up the boxes. I'm just literally just installing them now. We've got the fillets on to support our side pieces. The client's added on fluting, so we're going to flute the sides, which will be nice. Doors are all made up there at the house. I worked on Monday night, got them all sorted. They need sanded and beaded. It's a butt hinge that's going on in this job, so I have got the butt hinges hopefully arriving today. There was a wee problem with getting the bronze that we wanted, so we've had to go for black for the meantime. Yeah, so it's quite a spec on the wardrobe. Excited to see the ladder and whatnot going on, but I'll take you inside, I'll show you what I've done so far, and you can watch us installing the rest of the drawers. That's us inside. You can see all drawer runners. So these are all in Blum tandem runners. Get folks off close. Fill section, power. We're going to have flutes all the way up the side up to the top. It's roughly 2.9 metres high. Flutes here as well. So you can see all the details as you go up. So yeah, hopefully you get an idea of the size of this absolute monster. Tommy's just out, we're just altering one wee drawer, and then we're good to go. Back inside the property, it's currently Thursday. As just went just after 1. Managed to get the doors on. These are all butt hinges, so they're all on. We've got 2 big ones in, just cut them in. 2 more large doors to do, sitting there ready to go, and then we've got the bottoms to go in. To be honest, this is going to be a short video this week, guys. We're under a lot of pressure to try and get this done for Friday. I think I'm going to need to come in on Saturday, just with the way things are. But it's all looking great and whatnot. You don't want to rush these things, especially with the butt hinges and whatnot. They take a lot of work. They're all on and hinged on. They get screwed on here and they're all checked in there. But yeah, you need to really make a job of these things. You can't just leave them to chance and hope they're going to be good. So yeah. As I say, get the other 2 doors on. We'll show you a wee update at the end of the day. We've obviously still got a ladder to build, we've got a cornice to go on, we've got the side to panel, we've got the skirting to go around the base. So yeah, nothing like pressure. That's me and Tam, it's about 6:30, we've just made some good progress. So all the doors are on, we've got the rail there, we've got all the drawers in, beaded, all the bits, so we need to get the handles on them, but they're all on the proper motion tandem runners, which is great. All soft closing, beautiful. We've got the black hinges on as well, and panel the sides. So tomorrow we've got the oak ladder. I've marked it out, it's ready to be cut, and we've got the cornice, skirting, sanding, rails, handles. Job done. Tidy up. So yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow again. We're under a bit of pressure, so work comes first. See you then. It's currently Friday, it's just went about 10:30. This morning went in, me and Tommy was up getting everything filled up and whatnot. I cut the ladder, drilled it, got it all ready for all the rod supports and stuff like that, which is all good. Just been over to Express Timber in Paisley, picking up the client wanted quite a heavy cornice, so I've put organised quite a large one, so it's about 80mm standing upright, which is cool. Got skirted as well, so just heading back. Tommy's currently sanding the ladder and whatnot, getting everything prepped and ready to go. So hopefully by that time I'll be back, we'll get a quick bite to eat, and then we'll be assembling the ladder, and then we'll be fitting the skirting and the cornice. So all going well, handles and whatnot to go on this afternoon, but yeah, we're getting there. It's taking its toll on me, this wardrobe. Been up after last night, couldn't sleep, been up since 5 in the morning, so yeah, these things take their toll on you, but it's looking brilliant and I'm looking forward to seeing it all finished up. See you when we're back in the job. Back on site, broke out all the ladders, so drilled all the holes, pre-drilled these, checked everything out, so that's us all on. We've got our library kit here, so we've got the ladder rods and stuff all to win, so yeah, just going to assemble this, get it all together and hopefully get it back on. That's Tommy and I all finished up here, we're just tidying up, so I'll show you the last wee bit of footage. So here we have our big bar, got our beautiful drawers on, client's picked a lovely handle, we've got magnets on, hanging rails are all in, and then lastly we've got the lovely oak ladder and the big cornice is in as well. So that's us. This wardrobe's absolutely huge. So yeah, glad to be finished, packing up now, not feeling too great, so hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this wee video. Again, sorry there's not been much content, but yeah, we'll see you again next week.